Good day, greetings. My message in this video is if the title or thumbnails on my YouTube post, if it is English, the content of my video is English speaking or my teaching on how to produce clothing products. If the title or thumbnails is Tagalog, it will be a Tagalog speaking. I decided to do this because one once upon a time when I'm searching in YouTube, I cannot find what I'm searching for, and it is an India video I can't understand. So now I decided to do English, so it will be an international uh, video of mine. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much.